From silent programs to interactive conversations, look how far you've come in just 1 week. This week, you've achieved something incredible. You've transformed from creating programs that talk at users to programs that talk with users. Let's celebrate your new superpowers. Input gives your programs ears to listen. Type converters transform strings into numbers like magic. And formatting makes your output look absolutely professional. You're not just coding anymore, you're creating experiences. Look at your toolkit mastery. 4 lines of code that get text input, convert to integers, handle decimals, and display results beautifully with f-strings. These patterns will power thousands of programs you'll create. This is a major programming milestone. You can now create programs that adapt to user input and respond intelligently. Every app you use, from calculators to games to social media, starts with these exact concepts. Pro tip from your Python buddy: when you use input, always remember to convert the data type. Users type strings, but your math needs numbers. That's why int and float are your best friends. You're absolutely ready to tackle expressions and operators next week. What an amazing week! Input transforms programs into conversations. Converters unlock the power of calculations with user data. F-strings make your output shine like professional applications. You've earned the title of Interactive Programming Master. Next week, we'll explore expressions and operators to make your calculations even more powerful.